Got the fuel rail on. Got the injectors in on the left side. Fuel rail on. Got the injectors in on the right side. Got the nipple block off. We got the crossover cable hooked up in the back, YouTube. If you don't get your fuel injectors and your fuel rail installed correctly, wait a minute, your engine can catch on fire. Wait a minute, that's a fire hazard. Today, YouTube, we're gonna be walking over exactly how you install your LS swap fuel rail, also your LS swap fuel injectors, YouTube, so that they do not leak. We also gonna be covering a few tips and tricks to help your installation to be easier and so that it is leak proof, YouTube. Make sure y'all pay attention. Make sure y'all watch the video all the way through. That way you make sure you don't have a problem of leaking gas in your engine compartment, YouTube. YouTube, this your boy, Tone coming back at y'all one more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevy's R Us, man. Y'all know what time it is. We out here in the garage, it ain't nothing nobody can do about it, YouTube. Anyway, YouTube, if you don't get your fuel injectors and your LS swap fuel rail installed correctly, you can have leaky gas all over your engine. Wait a minute, that's a fire hazard. Wait a minute, your engine can catch on fire. Today, YouTube, we're gonna be walking over exactly how you install your LS swap fuel rail and also your LS swap fuel injectors, YouTube, so that they do not leak. We also gonna be covering a few tips and tricks that'll help your installation to be easier and so that it is leak proof, YouTube. So make sure y'all pay attention. Make sure y'all watch the video all the way through. That way you make sure you don't have a problem of leaking gas in your engine compartment, YouTube. Before we get started, if you like learning how to do LS swaps, if you like learning how to work on old school cars, or if you just like looking at some nice, clean, old school cars, YouTube, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn your notification bell on. Go ahead and drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm locked in with Chevy's R Us, Tone. Let's get to it. Here it is right here. No instructions whatsoever, man. Here are my fuel injectors. Got the fuel rail kit. So what we'll do is we're gonna get this installed. All right, YouTube. See if we can get this fuel rail and these injectors set up. See what we got. We got a fuel rail, 2 fuel rails. Take these out the package right here. Now I know that this is the inside and these are the outside. So we'll have to see. Looks like they made the same distance. Oh, this says number 3. All right, first thing first, YouTube. We're gonna get these injectors in here. Should have 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. What we want to do is take a little oil and just run it around the seal right there. It should just pop in. Oh, there you go. Pop right in, YouTube. Y'all see that? Now let's get the next finger. Just a little dab of oil around the O-ring. That way it pop right in there. Up. These things will wear out. O-rings will go bad, all kind of stuff, but I'm coating them with this oil. So hopefully that'll, you know, prevent them from getting so dry and possibly wear out. So now, I got all of them in. Now I just want to take my hand and take some oil and coat the other O-ring. Put a little light coat of oil on the other O-ring because they got to pop down inside the injector bore on the intake. Coat this one over here. Be careful not to damage these or get them dirty. You're not gonna be running right at all, you two. Got that. And before I put it on, I'm just gonna take a rag and kind of wipe them down a little bit, you two. If I can find one. That come from me handling them and me putting that oil on them. So trying to keep it clean. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, time to pop these on down in the injector bores. I'm gonna take y'all on over there with me and we're gonna do that together. So I'll be back in a minute, you two. All right, get up in here, take this tape off. I put tape on the injector bores so nothing don't get down inside of my engine. Like this guy goes here. Nope, like this. This is the outside. Oh, all that. Oh. Yep, like that. That's it. That should just pop down in there. Oh, there you go. It popped. Yep, that one popped. Y'all see that? All popped down in there, you two. Now this should just pop right down the same way that one did, you two. This is a little stiff. Okay. Here we go. Oh, there go that one. There go that one. And you can fill it in, YouTube. You can fill it sealed. So that's what it is right there. Got them up in there, YouTube. What's next? We're gonna do the crossover cable. Now you can see these fittings right here. They got little O-rings on them. So we'll put these in the back. And that way we can run the fuel crossover cable in the back. And what we'll do, YouTube, we'll just screw them in. We ain't gonna torque it down. We'll actually wait until we get the holding brackets for the fuel rail on, and then we'll torque it. But watch what I do. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick. I know these got O-rings on them. And guess what I'm finna use? Teflon to prevent any leaks. I'm gonna go ahead and use me some Teflon on these fittings. I don't want no leaks. Y'all see that? No leaks. Look at that. Teflon tape for the gas line. I already got the Teflon on it. Screw them back in there like that. Like I say, not gonna torque it yet, but I'll wait till I get the holding brackets in. Then I'll torque it. Then this line here just connects right back here like that. I'm just gonna lightly screw that on. So let me show it to y'all. See that? It is. That's the fuel rail crossover cable. See that there? All right, on to the next YouTube. So we'll be back in a minute. All right, got the block off. Got the feed connector. So I'm just gonna put some Teflon on this guy right here. This is where the fuel line coming from the fuel pump will connect to. I got the O-ring on here, so just gonna screw this on in. I ain't gonna put Teflon on this because it has the O-ring for the seal. Just screw that in like that. And like I say, not gonna torque it yet. Not until I get the brackets that hold this on. Say, here goes the block off for the other end. It ain't gonna be long before we ready to fire this guy up. And guess what? Y'all gonna be right there with me, YouTube. Right there with me. Y'all hear me? YouTube! All right, let me let y'all see what it look like. Look at it, check it out, YouTube. So we just gotta put the little hold down, little brackets, and we'll be finished with the fuel rail. All right, YouTube. Got the fuel rail brackets right here. We'll put these on loosely. Put them all on loosely. YouTube, got the brackets on for the fuel rail back there. Y'all can see. Gotta put the bottom one on first and then the top one. Put it on both sides. See that? And then I also moved this crossover cable to the front. The fuel line is gonna come in right here in the back. And then it's just a block on plate. Regulator is gonna be the Corvette style filter regulator right after the tank. So yeah, got that done, YouTube. So on to the next. Start getting these coils mounted on the heads and run the cables. So we'll be back in a minute.